Now, deleted data. Deleted data is a harsh topic, especially for social media collections. Deleted data on social media can be very difficult to recover due to that data being stored on a remote server. When forensic professionals are collecting data and they're able to access deleted data, that's because we're collecting directly from the source. So if you're collecting data from a computer and data has been deleted from that, since we have access to the full computer, we're able to access that space of the computer that stores deleted files or remnants of deleted data. Unfortunately, with cloud type collections or social media collections, we don't have access to those servers that the data is stored on or the deleted data is stored on. The only way we can get any type of deleted data is if that social media platform has a trash or deleted folder within it. This is where it will store any deleted posts or pictures. Most only store it for like up to 30 days. It really depends on the platform, how they store their data. But after that 30-day timeline, that data that's in the trash gets permanently deleted and you don't have access to that anymore. So collecting that data, you really have a small time frame to get anything that's in the trash. So if you're suspecting somebody deleted something, it's best to get their social media or cloud account collected very close to that time frame that the suspected deletion happened, which I know much easier said than done, but that's the only way we can possibly get any deleted data.